Excuse me?
Out of Santa Cruz. So, but it's rare because you got the leopard ears. See the brindle. So that's hard to come by those ears.
I don't know what I was expecting.
Pounds? Yeah, but it's all muscle. It's all muscle.
Oh my gosh, I have a dog and she gets confused for poodle a lot. She gets confused.
Sorry, I'm picking your shape.
What's her name?
Bella. She's beautiful in this.
Bella?
Yeah,
Bella? That's my name.
Oh my goodness. Looky, baby. Looky.
Say hi. What's her name?
E-F-F-I-E.
Hi there. She's very, very quiet. Very, very quiet. How about the brown one there?
If you're hungry, go on up to the food court, and I'm sure that has something that will please your appetite.
Oh, there we go. There we go, little baby. Oh, look at that.
Not so happy today.
Probably because it's hot, but at least we found some shade.
She wants to be home sleeping with her sister.
Oh my God.
Our next contestant is number 107.
Great.
Hi, my name is Katie. I am Master Chief Katie. This is my mascot dog.
We need some treats?
You're the plumber. And Palooka, the homeless dog, and Fiona.
One more time. Uh-oh. I'm done. Come on. Come on, bud.
With a big hand for a well-dressed breed.
Oh, Mr. Bojangles.
So, for
Mr.
those
Bojangles, I like that
big
name.
dogs up for adoption.
And how old is Mr. Bojangles?
Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to have the
He's
rest
turning
of the
5
breeds
tomorrow.
introduce
Oh, happy
purebred
birthday, Mr.
and
Bojangles.
mixed breed dog.
Sunshine, what are your plans after high school?
To lick my boy.
I haven't asked one more time because we're editing.
Dog or cat.
Caleb.
The mobile adoption club. So, VIP lunch auction. In this category, for best, be prepared for that. If you don't mind, Florence Pavilion, and we'll get this competition going.
She has a sailor hat.
Who's the other one?
Charlie, come in, little bean.
That's okay. There we go.
You need to keep going. Once around the arena, please.
Excuse me?